Today, I want to tell you about 6 things you should remove from your home. These things might be blocking your good luck and keeping you stuck in the same place. What I'm going to share is very important and could change things for the better in your life. This might sound simple, but it really works. When you make these changes, you might be surprised by how your life starts to improve. Here's something important to know first. Everything around us has energy. This energy can either help you succeed or hold you back. So listen carefully to what I'm going to share. By changing these small things in your home, you could open the door to better things in your life. Are you ready to learn what these 6 things are? 1. Clothes you no longer wear. Old clothes in your closet are more powerful than you might think. Every piece of clothing you own tells a story and holds memories, just like a photo album you can wear. Think about it. That jacket from your old job might remind you of tough times, or that dress might bring back memories of a relationship that ended. Even when these clothes just hang in your closet, they're like little memory boxes that keep you tied to the past. You might have work clothes from a job you didn't enjoy, outfits that no longer fit but you keep just in case, or clothes from a different time in your life that no longer represent who you are. You might even have special occasion clothes you haven't worn in years, or items with tags still on them that make you feel guilty for not using them. When you hold on to these clothes, it's like keeping old memories that may be holding you back. These clothes don't just take up space in your closet, they also take up mental and emotional space in your life. It's like trying to move forward while carrying heavy bags. It slows you down and makes everything feel more difficult. These clothes might be affecting your daily life in ways you don't even realize. For example, when you open your closet and see clothes that no longer fit, it can make you feel sad or frustrated. Or when you look at that expensive dress you never wear, it might remind you of money wasted. Over time, these small negative feelings build up. Think of your closet as a garden. If it's full of old, unused plants, there's no room for new ones to grow. The same applies to your life. Holding on to old clothes can block new opportunities, relationships, and positive changes from coming in. Ready to make a change? Take a fresh look at your clothes. Ask yourself, does this item make me feel good right now? Does it fit into my future, or is it just part of my past? It's time to make a real change. Let go of the things that are tied to the past and create space for the future. Before parting with them, hold each item in your hands and feel gratitude for everything it represented in your life. Perhaps it brought you good memories or marked a significant moment. Thank it for that, then let it go with lightness. If the item is still in good condition, donate it. It could be a blessing for someone in need. If not, dispose of it. By doing this, you create space for the new and allow energy to flow freely and be renewed. Try this symbolic act of letting go and notice how your energy and the environment around you transform. By releasing what no longer serves you, you start attracting new opportunities, a lighter mindset, and a sense of renewal in your life. 2. Broken or damaged items. Now let's talk about the broken things in your home. You know that lamp that stopped working months ago? The cracked mug you keep meaning to fix? Or that chair with the wobbly leg? We often keep these broken items around, thinking, I'll fix it someday, or it's not that bad, but these items might be affecting your life more than you think. Think of your home as a peaceful garden. Now imagine having dead plants in that garden. They don't make the garden look or feel better, do they? Broken items work the same way in your home. That crack in your mirror isn't just a crack, it's like a little spot of negative energy in your space. Every time you walk past these broken things, something interesting happens. Maybe you see that broken clock and think, I need to fix that, or I should really fix that. Or you grab the pot with the loose handle extra carefully. These small moments of worry or frustration add up, even if you don't notice them. It's like having tiny rain clouds following you around your house. Here's what you can do. Look around your home with fresh eyes. Make a list of everything that's broken. Decide, can it be fixed? Is it worth fixing? If you can fix it, do it now, not next week or next month. If you can't fix it or it's not worth fixing, thank it for its service and let it go. When you finally fix or remove these broken things, you might feel a weight lift off your shoulders. It's like clearing the clouds away and letting the sun shine in. Your home becomes more peaceful, and you might notice good things starting to happen more often. Remember, holding on to broken things is like telling the universe that you're okay with things staying broken in your life. When you fix or get rid of these broken items, you're sending a clear message that you're ready for better things to come your way. 3. Shoes. Let's take a moment to think about your shoes. They're not just something you wear, they carry you through life every single day. Your shoes tell the story of where you've been and where you're heading. When you wear old, dirty, or broken shoes, you're essentially telling yourself and others that you don't care about your own journey. Take a look at your shoes right now. Maybe you have pairs that are scuffed and dirty, and you never bother to clean them. Or you may have old shoes with holes that you still wear, even though they're no longer in good condition. Perhaps there are shoes that hurt your feet, but you keep wearing them, or a pair that's falling apart, but you can't bring yourself to let them go. Those shoes that were once nice but now look worn out and sad are sending a message you probably don't intend. These old, tired shoes might be sending the wrong message to yourself and to the world around you. It's like trying to start a new journey with a broken compass. It simply doesn't work. Well, you wouldn't start a new chapter in your life with old, heavy baggage, so why walk into your future with shoes that drag you down? The good news is, you can change this energy starting today. Check all your shoes and decide which ones deserve to stay in your life. Clean the ones that still have life in them. A good polish can make them shine like new. If some can be fixed, take them to be repaired. For the ones that are too old or damaged, thank them for their service and let them go with gratitude. When you take care of your shoes, something amazing happens. You start walking with more confidence. You feel better about yourself. It's like telling the world, I care about my journey and I'm ready for good things to come my way. Remember, your shoes carry you toward your dreams and goals. When they're clean and well cared for, it's like clearing the path for better things to come into your life. Fresh, clean shoes mean fresh, new opportunities. Every step you take in well-maintained shoes is a step toward the success and abundance you deserve. 4. Objects belonging to people who have passed away. We often keep things that belong to people we've lost. Maybe a watch from grandpa, old letters from mom, or clothes from someone special who's gone. It's natural to want to hold on to these pieces of our loved ones. These items feel like they keep us connected to the people we miss. But sometimes keeping too many of these items can be like living in a museum of memories instead of living in the present. Think about your home. Are there boxes of items you never open but can't let go? Drawers full of things you keep just because they belong to someone you loved? While these items are precious, they might be holding you back from fully living your life today. Here's the beautiful truth. You don't need objects to keep your memories alive. The love, the lessons, the special moments with those people, they're already safely stored in your heart. No one can take away your memories, even if you don't have all their things around you. This doesn't mean you need to get rid of everything. Maybe keep that one special necklace from grandma that makes you smile, or that favorite book your dad used to read. Choose the items that truly warm your heart when you see them. For the rest, you can take a photo of them if you want. Thank them for being part of your journey and let them go with love. When you make space in your home, you also make space in your life for new joys and experiences. It's like opening the windows to let fresh air flow through your home. You're not forgetting the people you love. You're just letting go of physical items that no longer serve you, honoring them by living fully in the present, just as they would want you to. For example, a special photo, a piece of jewelry, or a small item that carries a positive memory can be kept. Transform it into something that inspires gratitude, not longing or sadness. By letting go of other items belonging to people who have passed, you are not abandoning their memories or disrespecting their legacy. On the contrary, you honor the cycle of life and allow stagnant energy to transform into space for new experiences and connections. This act is not merely symbolic. It holds the power to renew the energy of your home, opening pathways for a lighter present and a future full of possibilities. Practicing this detachment is an act of love for yourself and for the person who has passed. By freeing yourself from emotional ties, you allow new energies and moments to enter your life. 5. Clutter and disorganization. Clutter is more than just a visual nuisance. It blocks the positive energy that should flow freely through your home and life. When your surroundings are disorganized, the same happens internally. Your mind becomes confused, emotions feel heavy, and energy seems stagnant. An unorganized home reflects a chaotic mental state, creating a cycle that hinders prosperity and harmony. Think of your home's energy as a river. It should flow freely without obstacles. Clutter acts like stones, blocking that flow and creating stagnant energy that can directly affect your life, finances, and relationships. Have you ever noticed how much better you feel when your environment is clean and organized? This isn't just a coincidence. To start improving your space, begin slowly and intentionally. Pick one small area in your home and spend some time organizing it. Donate things you no longer use, throw away broken items, and tidy up what you truly love. There's no need to tackle everything at once. The key is to create a habit of keeping things organized and treating it as a regular process of renewal. Additionally, think about creating a peaceful atmosphere in your home. Open your windows to let fresh air and sunlight in. This helps purify the space. Add some plants that bring life and energy into your home. A helpful tip: always make your bed. This simple habit sets a tone of order and gratitude for the start of your day. When you organize your home, you're also organizing your life. You make space not just physically, but also emotionally and spiritually, allowing good things to enter. As energy starts to flow freely, it brings new opportunities, peace, and prosperity. By turning your home into a sanctuary of positive energy, you'll see these changes reflected in all areas of your life. 6. Excess technology in the bedroom. The bedroom should be a peaceful place where you recharge your energy and reconnect with yourself. However, the constant presence of technology has turned this space into an extension of your work in the digital world. As a result, your peace and the quality of your sleep are negatively affected. Devices like cell phones, tablets, and televisions emit blue light and electromagnetic fields that disrupt your natural sleep rhythm. Constant exposure to these devices makes it harder for your body to relax, harms the quality of your sleep, and can even increase your stress levels. Additionally, using your phone before bed stimulates your mind, making it even harder to rest. Think about this. Is it really necessary to bring the digital world into your bedroom? Try setting boundaries. Start by turning off all devices at least an hour before bed. Use that time for relaxing activities, such as reading, meditating, or having meaningful conversations with your partner. Keep your phone away from your bed, preferably in another room. If you need an alarm, set your phone to airplane mode. Another great tip is to remove the television from your bedroom altogether. Turn your bedroom into a peaceful refuge where you can disconnect from the outside world and reconnect with yourself. Remember, the bedroom is meant for rest and intimacy, not distractions. By reducing the amount of technology in this space, you create an environment that encourages relaxation and revitalization. This way, you'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to embrace new opportunities. In the bedroom, you create an environment conducive to quality sleep and harmony. The impact of this change goes beyond the physical. It improves your mental health, strengthens your relationships, and contributes to a more balanced life. Make your bedroom a sacred space where peace and renewing energy reign. Making these 6 changes in your home can bring amazing changes to your life. This isn't just about cleaning, it's about creating positive changes in your life and relationships. You don't need to spend lots of money, just put in some care and be ready to make changes. The results can surprise you. Now let's talk about something fascinating: money. Did you know people talk about money more than almost anything else? There's a reason for this. Money touches every part of our lives: how we live, what choices we make, even how peaceful we feel at night. Think about this. Out of all the valuable teachings throughout history, money and how to manage it comes up more than almost anything else. This tells us something important. Managing money wisely isn't just about becoming wealthy. It's about creating a peaceful, stable life where you don't have to constantly worry about bills or being in debt. The good news is that the wisdom about handling money has been around for a long time. It's like having a treasure map right in front of you. Once you understand these money principles, you can start making better decisions that lead to real peace of mind. Not just about money, but in your entire life. Are you ready to learn how to bring this kind of positive change into your life? Money itself isn't evil, but being obsessed with it can cause problems. When people focus too much on wealth, they can lose their sense of purpose and face serious struggles. Money reveals who we truly are. It can either be a blessing or a curse. There are two key principles to understand about money and possessions. 1. Everything in life belongs to the universe, the earth, and everything it holds. As you build wealth, it's important to remember the bigger picture and not become consumed by it. When striving for success, focus on what really matters, and you'll develop the ability to create true wealth. 2. Debt can hold you back and make you dependent on others, creating a cycle that limits your freedom. These principles are essential for wise and balanced financial management. With smart planning and diversification, you can protect your prosperity and thrive. By applying these teachings, it's not wrong to be wealthy. The problem arises when wealth is loved more than the greater good. Focus on what's important, and you'll unlock a prosperous future filled with abundance. If this message resonates with you and you believe it can inspire others, give this video a like and subscribe for more transformative content. Stay tuned. There's much more to come. Until the next video.